Okay, let's go.
The annual sun-up party, and it's a calm before the storm.
Yeah, just a come. I'm just a left. Look at it. Yeah, my boy. Yeah.
Yeah, man, the sun-up party this day every year, with people even flying in to attend. It's fast making a name for itself. With buffet-style food available, starting from as early as 8 a.m. and lasting throughout the duration of the show. It's definitely my kind of setting. Taking place on the lawn of the Folly Lighthouse is the ideal spot in this scorching summer heat. "96 degrees in the shade." The dress code for this party this year is the national colors. So most people will be in one or a combination of the national colors: black, gold, or green. Last year was all white.
Okay, let's go.
Another beautiful Jamaican woman just happened to be walking by.
Okay, let's go.
The Folly Lighthouse, built in 1888, and marked the entrance of the east and the west harbor of Port Antonio. The lighthouse plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe arrival of ships that transport banana from the eastern end of Jamaica to America, Europe, and beyond.
Alright. One batch page I represent Rose 21, you know? I stand up with an idea. Uncle Mark, one shotty Mark, you know? Uncle Bobby. See Bobby
Respect.
Catch Bobby. Sharp and quick. Uncle Bobby. Best dumpling man, roti. Ask them about Bobby. Yeah man, no joke. Alright. Bobby, give me a squeeze on us. See Bobby. Curry goats, you know?
Straight.
But watch how you not see no sauce. I'm with the sauce, you know? Yeah man, see soup just start moving there. Which channel name again?
Reggae night.
And a reggae night, but today I sun up on a day. Reggae day today. Oxtail in a reggae. Yeah.
Straight.
You know? Yeah. I see rice and peas over here, so. Yeah, I'm not cooking any rice yet, you know? Let him go and cook in. Let's see what I'm going.
No respect.
Yeah, man, I feel chef like.
Come up in line.
Yo,
Come up in line.
You want
Fried chicken, a Jazila fried chicken, you know what I say? Yeah, best fried
pick up Jazzy. Yes, sir.
Jazila fried. Come up and say they know. Reggae night, but to the idea, and a proper way. Here we go on, fried fish, escovitch. Oh, you like it? Don't stew, coconut curry, anyhow. Then we there work, you know? Yeah, man. I want reggae near Miss Bodo. You say if I never she, you never possibly here?
Yes, my
She near Miss Bodo.
Yes, my man.
You can get her interview with her.
In pan. Grab that pot there, so where gas you take up. Flour pan, flour.
Yes, sir. Give thanks.
Please, come to. Yes.
Just take it down, no brother.
Yo.
Sound good, man.
So what channel name, uncle?
Reggae night.
Alright.
KNI
Don't worry yourself, man. Big up yourself, reggae night. You know a thing go already. I want Rose 21 for the ground, you know?
Ah, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. I want to page I represent. See Uncle Bobby round us.
Back to your feet, man. Can't learn.
It's an ideal setting on the bank of the East Harbor, overlooking Port Antonio. Just want to grab some more food and find a shade under one of these coconut trees, or better still, under one of these giant willow trees, as a steady breeze continues to blow from the northeast, cooling the place down a bit. It's a good setting and the party is going well. I'm really looking forward to the next one. why it's the stupidest person in the event who always has a microphone, or a fool who is half drunk. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what we do here. It helps out a lot. And as we take our leave, walk good and tell them other one how they. See you soon.